Hi everybody, welcome back to Tan Predicts, and this is another prediction. Today I'm doing good news, blessings, positive messages that are going to come your way. This reading is timeless, so always remember that whenever you watch it is the time that you were meant to watch it. And I always say that not all messages might resonate. A few messages might resonate because this is a general reading. It's not a specific reading. So whatever messages that were meant to find you will find you through this video. And let's start the reading. I'm using four different decks right now. I'm using the Energy Oracle, I'm using the Oracle Energy cards, I'm using my Crystal Angels, and I'm using Archangel Gabriel, which is a new deck. So let's see what are the positive messages, any good news coming your way, and any blessings that are coming your way. And I wanted to give good messages because right now it's a COVID situation, and not all of us are feeling really, all of us are feeling a little depressed, and not all of us are feeling very bright. So I thought anything to brighten up your mood, or to show you the right way, or whatever way I can guide you. So I just wanted to give some nice messages in this video. First one is action. Whatever your plan is requires action. I think in 17 days you should start whatever you wanted to start, build an empire or whatever small, however small you wanted to start your business with. I think this is the time of action. 17 number is important for you. You might be a 17 number, you might be an 8 number, or you could be dealing with somebody who's a 17 number, which also adds up to 8. And I think whatever you're going to start, all you need to do is put action. Everything is there, and you are going to do good. It could also be a relationship. If you wanted to start a new relationship, or you wanted to begin, or you wanted somebody in your life and you are single, things will start happening pretty soon. I think you're also right now balanced, because I can see a yin and a yang, black and white. I'm going to take it like this. Also, another channel messages is everything is not always black and white. Remember that. So see also what the message means to you right now in your situation, because a lot of you are going to watch it, and this situation is going to be different for everybody, every one of you, each one of you. So let's just see how it fits into your situation. And I think just start taking action. This horse is going to is almost going to run and make a dash. So I think that's the message for you. Just be energetic and put your plans into action, is what I want to say. Anxiety, less of anxiety. Good. So messages are good because it's coming reversed. I feel your anxiety has been lessened, and I get lessened, and I get 9 days. You're feeling much better. Or I also feel that in 9 days, or if you're dealing with a number nine, you're a number nine. Anxiety situation is going to lessen. You're not going to feel so anxious. You're going to be more calm. You're going to be more relaxed. Maybe it's the meditation you're doing, or maybe you've been chanting something, or you've joined a Buddhism group, is what I get, and something is relaxing you. You a lot of friends have come together, and you've formed a WhatsApp group, and that's how your anxiety levels are getting less, because like-minded people have come together, and that's great news. And I also feel for a lot of you, your heart is also not hurting, or your heart is hurting less. You've come to terms with the situation, and you've made peace with the situation, is the channel message I'm getting. So guys, only blessings and good messages, and I think that's what everybody needs. Good things will come to you in another 3 months, because this has come reversed. So I'm going to read it in a good way, and I'm going to give you positive messages. Abundance is there for you. Abundance will happen in your life. I get 3 months. 3 months. In 3 months, everything is going to be okay, guys. We're sitting in May right now, so June, July, August, things will be much better than what it is. Maybe the world is going to open up for business. Maybe things will improve in your business, your job, and things will get back to being a bit normal. Though now we know that this is the new normal for us, and we have to live with it. So, guys, whatever good things will happen, just accept those things in your life. You guys were attached to something, and you understand that the person is not serving you any good, because I'm going to do positive messages. So you also know that you also withdrawn yourself. You know that it's not good to be attached to that situation or to that person. And for 5 days, I think you've been feeling like that. Like I said, a lot of you are healing your heart, or you're healing yourselves in your own way, whatever, however you're dealing with it. But I think you understand the situation, and sometimes understanding the situation also heals us in a lot of way. So you understand that the person is not really good for you, or whatever the idea is not really good for you, and you're moving away, or probably you're moving on, is also what I get. And I get, please keep on moving in whatever you're doing. So you're on the right path. You whatever you're thinking in your head is actually right for you right now. You don't have to think twice, guys. Happy family. you guys will be complete. I feel like a family will be complete if you're three people. I think there's going to be addition in the family. That's how I see it. There's a lot of peace because I see everybody wearing white clothes. I see a lot of peace. I see calmness. I see stability. Four is a number of stability, foundation, family, love, things being complete in the family. So I get a birth of a baby, or you've just found out that you are going to have a baby. So congratulations if you just found out that you're going to have a baby. And I also feel this is stability, and you can see the rainbow. It's looking beautiful. So the family is complete. The family is happy. Whatever things that weren't going right in your family, if you guys were fighting, or I also get the channel message a fight about the custody of children. Even if you are separating, I'm going to take this message again as positive. If you were worrying about your kids, who the kids. Who's going to take the custody, or even if there was a legal battle, guys, I feel that it's going to be solved. I'm going anything to do with family, any legal battle, any hassles, or I think you guys have come back together also as one family. I also get that if the family was away, if a few members in the family were away or are away, you're going to meet very soon, and you're going to be at one place. I also get families separated due to the COVID situation. You worrying about the family, I think you will also get the news that soon enough the family is going to be together, is what I get. I'm using the crystal deck now. Here's the deck, and let me see what positive messages I can give you. I am reading the reversed cards in a different way because I just want to give positive messages today, and that's what I have been instructed by my spirit guides, that to give only positive messages. Even the negative should be turned into positive. That's how it should be fit. Not taking time to take care of yourselves. So this is the time to take care of yourselves. That's how I'm going to read. So this woman is meditating, is feeling calm, not thinking much, is getting relaxed. I think, guys, take a few hours out in a day, or probably keep one day away, like a Saturday or a Sunday, where you think I'm not going to work, or I'll ask the family members to help me, and I'm going to take care of myself. Pamper yourself, guys. That's what I want to say. If you're a man watching this, please pamper yourself in whatever way you want to. Ask your kids to be in another room. You can listen to music, whatever you feel nice, or however you want to watch your favorite TV program with your wife or your girlfriend or whoever you're living with. And I think you guys need to relax right now. Self-care is pretty much important, and I think you've been multitasking so much that you've been forgetting to take care of yourselves, is what I want to say. Let me see what are the other messages, guys. Balancing masculine and feminine energies. I think a lot of us are ending doing the guys' work or the girls' work, and we should balance both our sides. We need to, I'm going to read the message out and give it out to you clearly. Allow your feminine side to creatively help inspire you, and your masculine side to give you confidence. So both sides are needed. Like I said, the yin and the yang energy. That's why I think in the first card, when I picked the horses card up, that's probably what I meant. And that you need to balance right now, and the black and white, or the yin and yang, whatever, the negative and the positive, need to be balanced in your life, and that's how you're going to feel better. Let me see what are the other messages for you guys. Make time for self-care. The same card comes out again, and it doesn't come reverse. So guys, time to take care of yourself. If a card comes twice in my reading, or thrice, or that card keeps, even if I shuffle a lot and the card keeps coming out, guys, really takes care of yourself. Navy blue is good for you. This color is really good for you. It's going to relax you. I don't know if a lot of you work with crystals or stones, or have this color, or is your favorite color. I think you feel nice, wear that color, or keep that color around you or near you. Let's see what are the other messages, guys. Spiritual or religious community. See, my whatever I channeled, the messages are being validated, or it's becoming more impactful, or it's more important, is what I get. Like I just told you when I started the reading, that you guys have created a WhatsApp group. You guys have just joined a group with where you want to grow spiritually or religiously, and like-minded people are meeting. So I'm going to read it out to you, and I think you guys have done that. Join with like-minded people for friendship and increased spiritual growth. So in this difficult time, I think you guys have made your own group, and you inspire each other, and that's how you motivate each other. And I really feel you guys have made a group. If you're listening to this reading, and if you made a group, please comment in the comment section. I would love to read that. and it validates my guidance also, and my spirit messages, channel messages also, guys. One more card from this deck. I want to say this wanted to come out. So prosperity is coming soon, money is coming soon, recognition is coming soon, appreciation from people you needed appreciation from is coming soon, guys. This is a card of prosperity. So whatever you're going to do, just believe in yourself, believe in the project, or believe in the person, or whatever your idea, and you can turn impossible into possible, is what is always what I say. And it will not just your dream will not just remain a dream, it will become a reality soon, guys. Whatever area, whatever problem in life you're dealing with, whatever the situation or whatever area of life, needs attention, or needs positivity or motivation, you guys will achieve whatever you are out to, you want to achieve, and that thing, that goal you will reach. So these are Archangel Gabriel cards. Let's see what they are saying. What are the guidances? Gratitude. Be thankful for whatever is there in your life, or anything that's there in your life. Appreciate the little things, the finer things in life. And I think the COVID situation has taught us to appreciate the things in life that we never valued, or family time, or whatever, new ways of adapting to new situations, and that's also we value now. And we humans can adapt to any situation, and that's what we're doing right now. You attract more blessings when you appreciate your current blessings. So whatever situation we are in, we just need to know that we are alive, and we are fine, and we are healthy. And I think that's the greatest blessings for all of us. That's the greatest blessing for all of us right now. And if you appreciate your blessings, if you appreciate what God is doing for you, the other people are doing for you, your family members, your friends, anybody, your boss, anybody, people around you, probably your dog, also your cat, any animal that you have, just appreciate the things that they are in your life. And I think that's the biggest blessing, and I think you understand that, and you've been appreciating people. So it's always good to say a thank you. Prosperity, guys. Yes, good times are coming. Second time the card is coming in another deck. So I just used the crystal angels, and it said prosperity. This is saying prosperity again. I also get the message there will be a birth of twins, or there is going to be a birth in your family, or you will find out that you have conceived, or it's also conceiving of a new idea, guys. And you will have your aha moment. Like a lot of times I get this, that you will have your aha moment, and you will find a simpler way to address the problem. It says your actions have resulted in incoming abundance. So I said the words action, guys. I feel so happy when my messages get validated again and again in different decks and in different ways. And it's almost I knew what the cards are going to say, guys. I've been shuffling cards in front of you, and this is prosperity, and it says action, guys. So whatever you want, put it into action, and you will have it in your life. Our projects, our businesses are also like babies to us. That's what I always say. They are our babies, and just put it into action and see it grow like a beautiful child. And give it the nurturing it needs, guys. Blocks will be lifted. So positive messages. I love this. Archangel Gabriel is saying the blocks will be lifted. And previous obstacles came from fear. So you were fearing something. Sometimes we don't want to take the risk. We don't know if the idea is fine. We don't know if what we are doing. We're just risking something that is usually normally sitting in our routine, and we don't want to disrupt our routine. And yes, that's how we don't take risks. But that's what it's saying. Previous obstacles came from fear, and they are now lifted away. So God is guiding you. There are always angels that are guiding you. They are around us. So if you want help, always seek out for help. They never interrupt us, because a lot of us will get scared. We don't know how to work with angels, so they will not come into our life unless you seek for help and ask for their guidance. So whenever you want guidance, just quiet your mind, sit in a place, be calm, and just say, angels, I need this answer. Give me some sign in nature, or give me some sign that I know that you are there around me, guys. So they will always give you a sign. Agent or a manager, somebody is going to help you. So if you're looking for a job, reach out to somebody. I feel an HR manager or somebody in your life. I also feel a friend will reach out to you, will give you a job, or you will reach out to a friend, and the person will put you through someone from where you will get the job, is what I get. So guys, get ready to get a job. I'm going to read out what it says. It says your work expands its reach as you partner with a professional who can help you. So I think you're going to partner with somebody who's going to help you. There is support in your life, guys. Let me see another message. I want to give 2 more messages. I got 2 more messages from this deck and 2 more from the Earth's deck. So that's the messages that I get. So 2 more from this deck. Guys, prosperity again. Third time prosperity is come. So whatever is coming this week or whenever you're hearing this message, guys, prosperity is coming. I really feel birth of a child. The business could be your child and it's going to do well. You've been dreaming about children. I don't know this group. Have you been dreaming about children on your new project? It will be your reality soon, guys, and I get that. Let me see what other messages are there for you. One message from here. I didn't want to take that card. I don't know why. Sometimes I feel that card doesn't belong in the reading. I shuffled again, guys. I am so happy in this reading. I just feel so blessed with this, guys. It's a blessed reading. I always say this card is coming again and again. This is a go ahead card, guys. It's go ahead. So whatever you wanted to start, or whatever you were thinking that you're not brave enough, or you were fearing change, guys, change your routine and good things will happen to you, guys. That's what I want to say. That's why I didn't keep the deck, and I knew that the spirit guides, ascended masters, and my archangels wanted to give you this message, and because it's an archangel Gabriel guide deck, so I knew it was the archangel was guiding me in this way and wanted to say, guys, change. Don't worry about risk. Just do it. That's the message. Yes, just do it. That's what they always say. So if you believe in yourself, things are going to happen. If you don't believe in yourselves, guys, I also write, and I'm a writer, also wrote that, when you believe in yourself, then the plans and your dreams also believe in you. So always believe in yourself, guys. And if you don't believe in yourself, how will your dreams believe in you? So believe in yourself is the biggest thing. There's nothing greater than that. Effortlessly. See, the things will happen effortlessly in your life, like the water is flowing in the waterfall. It is flowing so effortlessly. I would see this as obstacles, though there are rocks in the picture, but see, it's found its own ways, guys. That's a channel message. Even if you have obstacles, roadblocks, any barriers, any limits, anything that's limiting you will be lifted. You're the one who's going to lift it. So believe in yourself. So this is a beautiful reading. I love it. And I hope it inspires you, motivates you in some way. Stillness has come reverse. So I'm going to use it as reverse because there's a positive message in stillness. Your life is not going to be still right now. You are going to get into action, because if this came this way, I would have said you're very still, you're behaving like a couch potato, like I always say. You're not doing anything. Look at the waters, they are so calm. There's no action in your life, but it came this way, guys. There is a lot of action in your life, and action will be the theme in your coming weeks. It will be action packed, guys. That's what I get. One more message, because I wanted to do 2 messages from this deck, so I'm going to use one more message here. Let me see what comes up. I hope it's a blessing. This fell and this fell this way, so I'm going to do one more card because it fell. I want to take it. I think it belongs in the reading. Whatever way it says wailed, so I don't think it's wailed because it came reverse. Or whatever wail, whatever situation you couldn't see properly, you will see. Like I can see the fog lifting up, the sun is rising, and you will see clearly. So this card is about seeing things clearly. Yeah. One more card. Because that just fell, on my lap, so I wanted to take that card. One card. What is the message? Grounding, stability. There is stability in your life. Whatever will happen for good. You're going to branch out. I feel if you have a business, it's going to reach more places, and you are stable right now. There's stability in your life, and you are grounded. Your plans are grounded. You're just not flying without plans, or putting things into action without plans, guys. And I think that's a blessed reading. I'm feeling very nice after doing this reading. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed your reading, and have a good day. Tomorrow I'll be back with another video, another kind of prediction, and do comment in the comment section. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do comment. I always say that. Do check out the other videos, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy your reading. Bye.